The full refining process starts now, as we follow the trucks loaded with raw ore into the $10 billion gold factory.
The full refining process begins as graded ore flows steadily into these industrial grinding mills.
The separation looks good on this batch.
Agreed. Flow rate is steady.
The porous structure of the carbon acts like a magnet, drawing the gold particles out of the solution and locking them within its pores. The loaded carbon is now moving towards the stripping vessels, beginning the full refining process here at the factory. The refining process concludes as the heavy gold solution is carefully measured and dispensed into these chambers for cooling and solidification.
This is the electrowinning phase. As the electrical current passes through these plates, pure gold particles are deposited onto the cathodes. The thick sludge is transported by conveyor directly into the high-temperature ovens, the first step in extracting the pure gold.
Pour rate is increasing.
We're almost at capacity on mold 4.
Here, the molten gold begins its journey into the crucibles, a process refined over decades.
Inside the $10 billion factory, the molten gold is carefully poured, beginning its transformation into bullion bars.
Here we see the refining process nearing completion as the liquid gold solidifies into door bars.
The polished gold bars move rapidly along the conveyor belts, heading towards the intense heat of the furnace for final purification.
The refining process concludes as the purified gold is cast into bars, meticulously weighed, and packaged for distribution worldwide.
All right, push it in. Watch the alignment. Next crate coming up.
Inside the $10 billion gold factory, the full refining process is a symphony of automated precision, continuing around the clock. Automated drums use fine abrasive particles to rapidly smooth and polish the gold surfaces, a critical step in the refining process.
The spectral analysis confirms the purity levels. Good.
Initiate the next refining cycle.
The full refining process concludes as the approved gold bars are transported to the automated vacuum sealing line.
The automated labeling machines apply the final branded seals to the freshly minted gold bars.
As part of the full refining process, the packaged bars are now moved deep into the factory's primary warehouse zone for storage. This facility holds over $10 billion worth of refined gold bullion, secured in these crates before it is shipped out. After refining, the gold is moved to this climate-controlled facility, capable of holding $10 billion worth of bullion.
Bring it forward now. Easy. All right, hold it steady. Clear on the right side.
These electrowinning cells are the heart of the refinery, extracting pure gold from the solution through a powerful electrolytic process.
Fresh gold deposition forming on the cathode plates inside the multi-million-dollar gold factory, utilizing the full refining process.
In these collection trays, the concentrated mineral sludge begins the initial dewatering phase of the refining process.